attended research meeting collaboration between applied sciences university and Chinese academic of sciences. My conference paper is dynamic optimization of robot automatic control system based on differential algebraic equations. I am the author SHULEI WANG. In order to understand the different performances of robots and the different control systems, the author has carried out dynamic optimization research on the control system of robots combined with differential algebraic equations. In this study, the general form of the discrete differential algebraic equation optimization problem using the orthogonal configuration of finite element method is deeply analyzed under the equivalent conditions of the direct discrete scheme and the indirect discrete scheme are obtained through rigorous proof. On this basis, a variety of common configuration methods are simulated and analyzed, and it's found that indirect low battery configuration can achieve better results in many aspects. The results show that the discrete algorithm using differential algebraic equations can effectively achieve dynamic optimization of the control system, thus achieving the author's research purpose.